What's up, YouTube? This is Mitch Santona here with Dr. Crank. Hi, everybody. This is Mitch Santona here with Dr. Crank. This is Dr. Crank. Listen to the way that sounds when it rolls off your tongue. Dr. Crank. I love that name. Just keep saying it. It's really a fun name. This is the Hook representation of the Constructicons, if you will. And here he is. He's a very nice vehicle. Very cool vehicle. Got a lot of extra little pegs and such all over him, but it's forgivable because he does have some fun details here. Little lights that they painted in. You got a little clear red cab here for, I guess, the crane operator. Some silvery windows like that. He's got, if you pull this, well, you can crank this, which does nothing because it didn't come with a cable or anything. I think you could probably string your own really easily. That comes off real nice. Like, he has some cannons, which independently rotate. It's just a tight pin, so you can kind of move them together, if you like. And then these will extend to allow for raising and lowering of the crane. And it does do it quite tight, so you got to kind of hold it in place whilst doing it. It will go all full 90 degrees here, or very close to it. So that's always neat. You guys move your cannons with it. And of course, this telescopes out a good, well over a foot. So yeah, I had some bad jokes in there. I'll just take them off and show you that it extends over a foot. Here is robot mode for Dr. Crank, and he looks quite like his Hook counterpart. Let me grab Hook as I fumble to the right, and here we are. So yes, you can see the similarities. I think I would have liked him to have that visor like Hook did. I think that would have been cool. But there is some, some similarities in these two, namely the crane on the back. I've removed mine, but you can keep it on here if you like. I like to keep it off just because it's just all bulky and doing nothing back there, but that's just my preference. For articulation on the good doctor, we have side-to-side head movement. We have a bunch of shoulder stuff going on here. You can see the swiveling and the pivoting. Nothing on his hands, unfortunately, but he can move his arms quite a bit. He does not have hip movement, one of the few that do, but he does have some swiveling at the knees, he has some ratchety hippies, and he's got some bend at the foot, but nothing in foot articulation as he just has block legs. So my diagnosis of the doctor is, yes, get him. He's a fun character, he's a fun figure. He's a great standalone figure. He's got a great alt mode that's got tons of playability. He's got a nice robot mode, very G1-y if you're into that thing, which I am. And he's the head of your Hercules, so that's always the bonus as well. Thanks for watching, everybody. I shall return with some more of the Hercules project, as well as some Prime toys and some other miscellaneous action figure goodies. I will see you later. Have a good night, and have an excellent weekend.